say, Mom has never helped out, huh?
Right here. Yeah, this is fun.
So then my hope is that if you let me go as short as a summer cut, I won't see you for like 3 months.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Fine,
It's a
yes.
little shorter than, remember our shortest we've ever done? It's
Yeah.
a little one notch shorter than that.
I'm prepared.
I wasn't gonna do that, but if you don't wanna see me for like 3 months,
Yeah.
I'm okay
Yeah.
with that. So then you look at what you're gonna pay today, depending, you know, whatever. I don't see you for 3 months, so it's not a monthly. He's not paying that monthly. Make sense?
Yes.
And it's not gonna be it's not gonna be like what some other folks have paid. So because we're doing it together and yeah, I don't have anything on the books open until December 4th.
Yeah, I knew when I canceled those, but that's gonna be.
Well, you had to,
didn't
you
have
had
a
to though.
choice.
You had to.
I didn't
When there's health
know.
issues, that has to come first, and unfortunately, hair and health are, I know what I would decide. It's happened actually, lots of stuff is going on with people, a lot of my clients. This month, in all the 16 years I've ever groomed, is the most. My husband's in surgery, my wife's gonna have surgery. I've had probably over 10.
Oh my gosh.
And not just like that, but like major things. My daughter died. I mean, like some really, lots of stuff. It's been crazy.
Okay, this is not new.
She's actually doing sitting still. This is still. She never sits that still. Does she, you two?
Horrible breath.
Never sits that still. You should have had Mom just standing here all along.
You're gonna do great. You're gonna smell better. Yeah. We need to smell better. We're getting kind of rank here.
Now, if you do 3 months and you don't do anything, she won't be totally grown out. I would say 3 months and she'll be back to a little bit more than this maybe, or right at this. Would you bathe her at home? Would you be bathing her at home? So
It'll
that-
be easier to dry her off short like this. But when
Yeah.
she's hairy like this, I can't ever get her dry with my regular hair dry.
Oh, no, I don't, no. Can you bathe her at home, I said.
Yeah, but then I dry her off.
I just let
I've
my
only
dogs air
tried
dry.
once.
I just let them air dry. Yeah, your hair dryer is going to take 3-4 hours.
Yes, it was she got into cat poo one time and I was out of town and I had to give her a bath there and oh my God, and then drive home and I didn't think I was,
Oh, really?
didn't get her dry.
With all the hair.
It was hard.
I never blow dry my dogs. Ever. Just let them air dry.
Okay.
Even when I had Shih Tzus, which had hair, groom hair. So air dry. I towel dry them really, really, really good, but
Doing good. You're being a good girl. Are we getting close to that leg? I think we are, but we're okay.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's too be nice.
That's why I haven't had to stand up. I know. I know.
We're gonna feel so much better. We are. Okay, great. Already feeling better.
So if one thing happens, sometimes something can follow. So there's a lot of mass here happening. This right here is new.
Oh yeah. He the vet checked them. He said they were lipomas.
But this is not, I don't remember it being like this is, and so it might be that she's pulling a little bit of her back here. It might be where she's over pull, you know what I'm saying, because of the leg.
Yeah.
So watch this if it continues to get,
Better.
yeah, it's, I don't remember it being this big. Where I can see it, I can see the bulge here in the back, you know what I'm saying?
Can now.
Yeah.
Well, both vets felt all over her.
Oh wait, you went to 2?
Yeah. I had
Okay.
I got that second opinion.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell the camera, since we came to your house, you can tell them. You went to the first veterinarian.
Yeah.
Is it someone you knew?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the one I've been going to since we moved.
Okay.
And, he didn't do X-rays, but he said it was like felt like it was a ACL tear.
Okay.
And so then I took her for a second opinion, and this guy is actually a surgeon,
Okay.
and he said it was a catastrophic tear,
Really?
which meant there was no partial tear about to start. This was a
huge.
happened
It was-
right then.
right.
There was nothing
Small and getting bigger.
predisposed or anything. It
Wow.
happened right there.
So he could tell right. He without a
He did
X-ray.
X-rays.
He did X-rays.
He did X-rays.
So the first guy didn't want to do X-rays, or he just
No,
said.
he just wanted to, asked me if I wanted to do X-rays. And the more I thought about it, the more I thought, I need to know if this is a partial tear.
Right.
or,
Right. You can't go in the blind.
Right.
What if it's not that at all?
Right.
Right.
So he told me the same thing, that, it was going to require surgery and
Okay.
same price.
You can swing that.
And so I said, what is the long-term prognosis if I don't do anything? And he said that scar tissue would build up in that area, and then arthritis would set in, and that she would need to be on
Pain.
pain
Or-
medicine and pain and inflammation medicine.
For her life, or
Yeah,
really?
especially when the arthritis hit.
Okay.
So she's on Rimadyl right now.
Okay.
And he told me to make sure that we do blood work periodically because Rimadyl is hard on the liver.
Yeah. You guys read about Rimadyl? Did you guys ever read? I did, and I started refusing to give Rimadyl to my dog.
Well, I only give her a quarter of a pill twice a day.
What did the vet tell you to give?
A whole pill.
Really?
But she threw up one time. And so
Okay,
I
come on, let
called
me
them.
see this.
I called them and she said we'll cut back to a half a day.
Oh, okay, because she had vomited?
Yeah.
Did she only vomit once, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Was that once the first time, or you had done it 2 or 3 times and then she had vomited?
No, 2 or 3 times.
So you gave her 2 or 3 times, but she only vomited once?
Right.
Okay.
And that was when I was giving her the full pill a day.
Okay, you're good.
You're just pretty. Pretty. You're gonna be a good girl. You are a good girl. Look at all the yuckies.
Change our blade here. So how's home life been so far?
She still tries to be that little energetic, happy to see me when I come home, and
She may not love this. We're gonna help her want to stay on it. Okay, we're gonna help her just for support.
yeah.
Let me whip through all that and then stretching that leg. I'm gonna do that and let me see. want to put that here? You want to maybe do that? You can put, you don't have to stretch it. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. I got her. This is silly, but it might work for her. Did you put your foot down on it? You can put your foot down on that. Right here.
Whoa. Where are you going? Hey.
So this is our first time, so it's just like training. We just have to do it, a few times. You can rest your foot here. It's not made for that. It's not made for that, but if it works for you, okay. Do that for me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, girl.
Okay.